How to unarchive a channel on Slack. So right here, I have logged into Slack. We want to click on channels from the left hand side, and we will hover over manage and select browse channels. This will open up a list like so. Here we want to click on channel type, and we will choose the option for archived channels. It will show us a list of all of our archived or deleted channels. If we want to restore it, simply click on it. And then once we have entered the channel itself, click on the name at the top. And we want to go to settings. From this settings page, you will see an option to unarchive this channel. If we select it, then this channel will successfully be restored. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.